So I'm on my way to get my new tattoo. But first, coffee. One of the things that they used to tell me in high school is that sometimes I look like a skeleton in the face. And this kind of light proves exactly that point. I'm waiting for the tattoo artist to get ready. Around a week ago I decided I wanted a tattoo of a rose with thorns as a symbol of balance. You cannot have the good without the bad. And so the beauty of a rose needs the thorns somehow to balance it out. Ivva here sent me a picture of a tattoo, like a random other tattoo, and I click on it and I end up on a page where I see a lot of work of one specific artist, and I click on it and it's like a girl specialized in realistic flower tattoos, like only doing this. So here I am, waiting to get my rose tattoo. Another kind of insult, I would say, that I got a lot was elf, because I don't have a border here, you know, it's on either side, so it's kind of an elf, right? So, and the third one was alien, because this bone sticks out quite much. So yeah, alien, skeleton, elf in the house. How do you drew this? Like, did you paint it?
Yeah, with watercolors.
Nice. Doesn't look too horror or evil.
I think it looks more.
Yeah, no. Maybe it's gonna be more manly. Was that like the idea? Yeah. I've been thinking about that because most of your profile is like girls, right? Who do it?
Yeah.
I checked, like, could I find a guy, and I didn't immediately find one.
Yes, my stuff is like completely floral, and when I was starting I was going for the different, like for all different things, and I had all the different drawings.
Yeah.
Girls in here, they just like mostly floral stuff. So
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
why I do flowers. I don't mind, I love it, but for me
Very important, don't forget to cover the phone. Most tattoo artists that put a tattoo on my body didn't cover their phone. So do that, guys. So I'm being a little bit of a pussy. She put some numbing cream on my neck as I'm quite sensitive in the neck, and she says I might die otherwise. Thank you for an awesome tattoo.
Thank you.
But I didn't come to Kiev for my new tattoo, not just for that. Me and Ivva came to Kiev for
Boiler
room party in Kiev. So it's kind of a bucket list item, I would say, and I really don't know what to expect. Like, the tattoo artist told me that the boiler room organization don't have anything to do with the organization of this party. They're just allowed to use their name, their concept, and it is featured on the real page of Boiler Room, but they will not live stream it. That's what she told me. So we'll see. I asked them if I could film. They said no. I'll see if I can sneak in some footage. And alright, keep you posted.
And now we have a very special guest, one of the biggest names in techno from Ukraine.
I wasn't able to sneak my camera in because they were checking pretty hard at the entrance. But yeah, I recorded a little bit of footage with my phone. You'll see how that turned out. It might have not been organized by Boiler Room, but that party was Boiler Room worthy. So if you're into techno, that was some really good techno, and huge amount of people, very friendly. I saw all kinds of people, like rockers, hip hoppers.
Hey rockers, hip hoppers, and everybody all around the world.
Hippies, ravers. Yeah, very nice party. Very good atmosphere. Well done, Boiler Room Kiev. Well done. Apart from the little fact that I heard when you arrived at 11 you had to wait for a couple of hours before getting in, and there wasn't a separate queue for tickets or something. So a lot of people were complaining, but when we arrived at around 3, I think, everything was kind of solved. So we were in like 5 minutes. JC, out. Skirt. Alright, so before leaving this hotel, we're gonna do a little bathroom photo shoot. I'm getting dizzy. And we will use milk. So Ivva and me are gonna do some fun things with milk. Have you ever poured a lot of milk over you?
No.
Alright, first time for both of us. I'm not gonna pour milk on myself though, but it's the first time I will use it in a photo shoot. We're still a little bit tired from yesterday. The party was quite cool. We were up till what, 6? 6. I don't know how the footage will look. I will try to do something with that. You'll probably already have seen it now in the video. So yeah, if it looks like shit, it was taken with my phone, and that would show the limitations of a phone. And otherwise, if it looks decent, that's something confusing too, I suppose. But you know, editing does a lot, I guess. So we'll see. It's a gamble. Alright, let's get to this photo shoot. I will do some preparations because I didn't bring all my equipment, just some basics. So we'll see what this is gonna bring. Skrrr. More, a lot more.
Il faut que je te raconte une histoire bien malheureuse. Elle commence comme dans les contes, avec une jeune fille amoureuse.
I will do, okay? Close your eyes. Do the lift the leg again? Yeah. Oh, I think it looks quite sexy. Alright, we're leaving Kiev behind us, back to Odessa, and I think it was a pretty cool weekend. We had the very busy boiler room party. One of the most, no, let's be honest, the most painful tattoo I ever got in my life. So if they ask you if you're sensitive in your neck, and you know you're sensitive in your neck, take the full amount of time for the pain-killing balm shit they put on it, because I had fucking hair surgery, and that was worse. This was worse. But it's gonna be worth it. I think it's gonna look really awesome when it's healed. And as a cherry on the cake, we had a really sexy milk bathroom shoot, which led to a cold. But it will be worth it. Alright, time to check out. Skirt.